If you need to upload a custom HTML template in Mailchimp, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This is a great method if you already have your own coded email template and want to bring it into Mailchimp so you can reuse it for campaigns without rebuilding everything from scratch. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to import your file, and how to save the template properly. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp and email marketing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Campaigns section in the left menu and click on it. This is where Mailchimp keeps your email marketing tools, including templates and campaigns. After that, click on Email Templates. This will take you to the area where you can create, manage, and import templates for your emails. Now, on the Templates page, look for the option related to coding your own template. You should see a drop-down button near the Code Your Own option. Click that drop-down so you can see the available template import choices. From the menu that appears, select Import HTML. This is the option you want when you already have a custom HTML email file ready to upload. Once you choose Import HTML, Mailchimp will prompt you to add your file. Click on Add File. A file picker window will open on your computer, so go ahead and find the HTML file you want to upload. Select the file, then click Open. Make sure you choose the correct HTML template file, because this is the code Mailchimp will use to build your email template. After the file is selected, Mailchimp may show you a preview or confirmation screen. At this point, click Continue to move forward with the import process. Mailchimp will then load your template into the editor. Depending on your file, this can take a few seconds, so give it a moment to finish processing. When the template opens, you'll want to save it properly so it's ready for future use. Click on Save and Exit. Before the final save, Mailchimp will ask you to name the template. Type in a clear name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to upload multiple templates or use different versions for different campaigns. A descriptive template name makes it much easier to stay organized. After naming your template, click Save. Your custom HTML template is now uploaded and stored inside Mailchimp, ready to use whenever you create a new campaign or email. From here, you can edit it further, duplicate it, or apply it to future sends as needed. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded a custom HTML template in Mailchimp. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.